Okay, Cancer. Balance. Balance, balance, balance. I am, or I am doing. I am for me. I am for others. Ooh. I am. I am. I am. I am. You, identity is going to be it's going to be big. Identity, identity, identity. Here's the thing with identity. It's, I is alignment. Am is the in-between that fills in the rest of the sentence. When you are aligned, the sentence is filled in correctly. When you are not aligned, then you don't know what to put after it. I am a mother. I am an artist. I am a empath. I am. Those are all things. Those are things that you do. Those are not you. So there's this balance between the we and the I. And that's confusing for Cancer, I think. It's confusing for everybody. There's a lot of... It's confusing for empaths because we put so much in being an emotional, empathic being. Just gib-gabbing. Go watch the intro. Oh, trigger warning. If you don't like sweat, this is not your video. It is 4 pum on the Maui, and I'm a hot mess. However, I mean, just look at this. I am so excited to film these full moon videos here on the Mauis. There's a lot of really fun things going on with this full moon. The degree of the sun and the moon are at 8. The sun has Chiron and Venus, right? Also at 8 degrees next to it. This is big. This is healing. This is value. This is focus. It's Aries and Libra, so we're saying I am balanced with my feelings, balanced with the moon, balanced with reverence, balanced with air, life, relationships. I am maintaining my individuality. So with that said, enjoy, and you're welcome. Here we go. We've already figured out what it means to be one step closer. One step. Give me one step. I don't know. Allowing yourself to ripple. The Daughter of Cups. Allow yourself to ripple who you are and then see it. That's how you know. Okay. Okay. What started a little weird is now great. This is the problem with the wind. I need like a good conditioner. Okay, so, or whatever. Someone with hair, help. So, okay. Too excited. Heart of the matter is the Daughter of Cups upside down. Then we have the Son of Cups right side up. Then we have Fly Away, the 6 of Wands. Then we have the Daughter of Wands. Okay. You need to see yourself. You need to see yourself. You need to sit. You need to allow yourself to sit in your stillness, in your correctness, and say, Spirit, ripple from me who I am. Ripple out of me who I am. Ripple out of me. Allow me to radiate my correctness of alignment. I'm getting so worked up. And then open up your eyes. That's it. Open up your eyes and watch it. Watch what is coming out of you so that you can say, oh, this is who I am. Oh, I I get it. Yes, I do these things. It's not a no. It's not a but. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a yes and. Yes, I do these things. Yes, this is correct. Yes, I choose this. Yes, I am a mother. Yes, I am a good mother. Yes, I am an artist. Yes. And this is how I art. This is how I mother. This is how I ripple correctness. Allow spirit to ripple from you so that you can see it come out of you. And in the vein of balance, you will also figure out what it means to connect to your masculinity and your femininity. This will give you the ability to fly away from your creations and then look at your creations in a wonderful way as well. I am screaming here on the beach. I love you. Oh my God, I love you. I'm staying with a Cancer, and the space that you all hold is such a gift. The space that you create, the container in which you mother. And I don't mean this in an active way, I mean this in a passive way. You don't need to be active about, some who have children, yes, but you don't need to be active about how you mother. You don't need to work as hard. It's intrinsic to you. It is you. Hold correct space. Sit in your space, sit in your pond, and watch what comes out of you. Watch what radiates from you. And allow this Libra moon to say, I get it. I understand the balance of it. So much is going to change once you do that for yourself. Go have fun. Bye. Okay. We did it. I love filming these videos. They're so fun. So, if you want to go on a journey, watch the Libra through Pisces. What came up was pretty profoundly magical. I had a great time. Here's the other thing that I want to say. In order to understand balance, you have to know what you're trying to balance. You have to surrender to A in order to understand how it affects B. Then you have to surrender to B in order to understand how it affects A. You can't balance things that you don't know what they are. Libra is the scales, right? You have two bags. You want to find the balance between these. I have something in this one. There's nothing in this one. Therefore, what do I need to put in this one in order to make it balance this? You have to open it up. Well, what is in here? Okay, this is a boop boop and a boop boop and a bop bop. Okay, what do I need to put in this one then? This is a boop boop, this needs a bop bop and a biddle a diddle. Then you say, okay, now I understand how to balance these two things. Open up your subconscious, this moon. Open up your feminine center. Open up your receiving center. And say, I want to know what is in here so that I can... Hello! I want to know what is in here so that I can then balance myself. I want to know what is in here so that I can understand value, so that I can understand healing, so that I can understand reverence, beauty, and love. The Patreon exploration was stunning. It is live. Patreon, Sensible Paul. No dollar amount. Go on over there, sign up. I'm gonna put so many videos of Maui check-ins. So go there. Also, hashtag sun sign. What sign are we in? What season are we in? Aries. So I'm doing a year project. 12 workshops, one for each season. Each workshop will be filmed with people of that sun, moon, or rising placement sign. So we filmed the Aries one. It's available on my website. Go check it out. It's a really good exploration. And it's so fascinating to put people who are all Aries in the same room and be like, oh, personalities. Yes, I love it. It's fascinating. If you have any Aries placement, if you just want to understand the season, this is for you. Also, on the 11th of April, I'm doing an 11 workshop. 11 is the master number of portal, of the master intuitive. If you want help understanding your intuition and mastering your intuition, then this would be a great workshop for you. This workshop is going to happen 11 times this year. Yes, I'm doing a total of 23 workshops this year. This is, y'all, have fun. This is a great time. A great, 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 beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time. And I'm here for you. I'm here for you, and I love you. If you want also another adventure, go check out the website, paulflanagan.com. Kyle Anderson built it from scratch, #code, and he did amazing. Tia Peterson helped, and I could not be more grateful for the two of them. So go check that out, paulflanagan.com. That's also where you get all the things, all the links, all the things. Blessings.